Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop shop for all things AI. Today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT on Telegram. That's right, you heard me correctly. You can integrate this awesome AI chatbot right into your Telegram app. We'll cover everything from what it is, how to set it up, and even the best bots on the market right now. So buckle up, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get right into it. Let's face it, we live in a world of instant messaging, whether it's WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or for us cool kids, Telegram. But what if I told you that you can make that messaging experience even smarter? That's where ChatGPT comes in. Imagine having access to an AI assistant that can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way right inside Telegram. Pretty cool, huh? Now, some of you might be thinking, why bother? I've got ChatGPT on their website. And you wouldn't be wrong, but integrating it with Telegram comes with some huge benefits. For starters, it's all about convenience. No more switching between apps, just seamless integration for a super smooth workflow. Plus, think about it. You can get instant answers on the fly, whether you're in the middle of a conversation or just need some quick info without interrupting your day. Talk about a productivity hack. Okay, so by now I'm sure you're itching to get this set up, and trust me, it's super easy. First things first, head over to the Telegram App Store and search for ChatGPT bot. You're going to be blown away by the options. Don't worry, I'll point you to the best ones a little later. Once you've found one you like, just add it to your Telegram like you would any other contact. It's literally that simple. Now, here's where the real magic happens, using prompts. For those not in the know, a prompt is basically how you talk to ChatGPT. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying, write me a poem, try write a whimsical poem about a cat who thinks he's a pirate. See the difference? It's all about giving ChatGPT clear instructions to work with. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with your prompts to get the best results. As promised, let's talk about some of the top ChatGPT bots out there. First up, we've got the ChatGPT 4.0 Telegram bot. This baby is the real deal. We're talking lightning-fast responses, the ability to handle multiple tasks at once, and even setting reminders. It's like having a personal assistant, all without having to pay an actual person. The beauty is, most of these bots offer a free trial, so you can take them for a spin before committing. Next up, we've got BuddyGPT, and true to its name, this bot is all about being your AI buddy. It's perfect for those who are new to ChatGPT because it offers a super user-friendly interface. But don't let that fool you. It's still incredibly powerful and can handle everything from writing emails to helping you brainstorm ideas. Trust me, you're going to want to try this one out. Of course, we can't forget about the OG, the ChatGPT 3.5 Telegram bot. This one's been around the block and is constantly being updated with new features. It's known for being super reliable and having access to a vast database of knowledge. Whether you need help with research, language learning, or even just want someone to chat with, this bot has got your back. You really can't go wrong with a classic. Last but not least, we have Roger Da Vinci, and let me tell you, this bot is in a league of its own. Not only is it packed with features, but it's also geared towards all you creative folks out there. Think generating story ideas, composing music, or even writing code. This bot can do it all. It's like having a virtual Leonardo da Vinci in your pocket. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to show you just how versatile ChatGPT on Telegram can be. Let's say you're a busy entrepreneur. You can use it to manage your schedule, draft emails, and even analyze data. Or maybe you're a student like many of my viewers. Use ChatGPT to help you research papers, get instant answers to your questions, or even translate languages for those tricky assignments. The possibilities here are truly endless. All right, I've thrown a lot of information at you, so let's recap with some best practices. Be specific with your prompts, use keywords, and don't be afraid to experiment. Keep your prompts concise and clear, and think about the structure. Break down complex tasks into smaller prompts for better results. Most importantly, have fun with it. ChatGPT is an incredible tool, and the more you use it, the more you discover its potential. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention a few limitations. First off, while ChatGPT is incredibly advanced, it's still under development. This means that it might not always give you perfect results or understand complex nuances. Sometimes, it might even generate biased or offensive content, so always double-check its output. Remember, use your best judgment and don't rely on it for everything. It's amazing to think about how far AI has come, and honestly, this is just the beginning. ChatGPT and other AI language models are evolving at lightning speed. Soon, we'll be looking back at these early versions and laugh at how basic they were. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day, we'll all be having full-blown conversations with AI indistinguishable from humans. It's a wild thought, but then again, the future of AI is full of surprises. As always, my goal is to make these videos the best they can be, but I need your help. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, any other ChatGPT bots you recommend, or even just topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Let's build an awesome AI community right here on this channel. And hey, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future AI goodness. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.